Nintendo SwitchTM with neon blue and neon red Joy-ConTM, a personal review. As a gamer who loves both entertainment and convenience, I was ecstatic to get my hands on the Nintendo SwitchTM with neon blue and neon red Joy-ConTM. This console has quickly become a beloved part of my home entertainment setup, kind of like a pet but without the mess or vet bills. I'm eager to share my personal experience with it. Key features. The Nintendo SwitchTM is packed with features that cater to various gaming preferences. It boasts a 6.2 LCD screen, perfect for gaming on the go, unless you're like me and forget to charge it before you leave the house. One standout feature is its versatility, with 3 play modes: TV, tabletop, and handheld. Whether I'm playing solo or with friends, this console adapts as easily as a chameleon at a paint store. The local co-op, online, and local wireless multiplayer options have made it easy to enjoy games with others, no matter where I am. The detachable Joy-Con controllers add another layer of convenience and flexibility, making my gaming sessions as smooth as butter on a hot skillet. Design and portability. The design of the Nintendo SwitchTM is both sleek and practical. It's lightweight and compact, which makes it incredibly easy to carry around. It's like the Swiss Army knife of gaming consoles, ready for anything. I often find myself transitioning between different play modes throughout the day. Whether I'm lounging on the couch, at a friend's house, or traveling, the SwitchTM fits perfectly into my lifestyle, like it was custom made for my unpredictable habits. The detachable Joy-Con controllers are a game changer, allowing for quick and easy setup wherever I am. Joy-Con controllers. The neon blue and neon red Joy-Con controllers are not just visually appealing but also highly functional. These controllers provide a variety of control options, including traditional button inputs, motion controls, and HD rumble feedback. They're as versatile as a cat with 9 lives. I appreciate the level of precision and responsiveness they offer, which enhances my gaming experience across different genres. Whether I'm playing an action-packed game or a relaxing puzzle, the Joy-Con controllers deliver a seamless and immersive experience. They're like the Swiss Army knife of controllers, without the risk of cutting yourself. Game library. One of the most impressive aspects of the Nintendo SwitchTM is its expansive game library. There's something for everyone, from iconic Nintendo franchises like Super Mario, The Legend of Zelda, and Pokémon to a plethora of indie and third-party titles. It's like having a whole amusement park in your hands. I've spent countless hours exploring different worlds and stories. The ability to play both exclusive Nintendo titles and popular multi-platform games makes the SwitchTM a versatile gaming powerhouse that never gets old. It's like having the best of both worlds but without the impossible geography. Multiplayer experience. Gaming is often more fun with friends, and the Nintendo SwitchTM excels in this area. Its seamless multiplayer capabilities, both local and online, have made social gaming a breeze. The local wireless play and online multiplayer options allow me to connect and compete with friends, no matter where they are. It's like a virtual house party, minus the cleanup. The detachable Joy-Con controllers are perfect for instant multiplayer action, making it easy to share the excitement with others. They're like the life of the party, always ready to get the fun started. Display and graphics. The SwitchTM features a vibrant and high-definition display that brings games to life. Whether I'm exploring vast open worlds, solving intricate puzzles, or engaging in fast-paced battles, the graphics are consistently impressive. It's like having a mini IMAX theater in your hands. The console's ability to deliver a visually rich gaming experience in both handheld and docked modes showcases Nintendo's commitment to quality and immersion. It's so good, sometimes I forget I'm supposed to be on a quick break and not a gaming marathon. Nintendo's signature charm. Nintendo has a unique charm that sets it apart from other gaming brands, and the Switch trademark embodies this perfectly. From its user-friendly interface and delightful sound effects to the iconic characters and beloved franchises, every aspect of the console exudes Nintendo's distinct identity. It's like a warm hug from your favorite cartoon character. The attention to detail and overall gaming experience make the SwitchTM a joy to own and play. It's like having a slice of nostalgia with a side of modern magic. Customer reviews and ratings. The Nintendo SwitchTM has received overwhelmingly positive feedback from other users as well. With an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 7,231 ratings, it's clear that many others share my enthusiasm for this console. Reading through top reviews, it's evident that the versatility, innovative features, and expansive game library are universally appreciated. It's like finding out that everyone else also thinks pizza is the best food ever. The Nintendo SwitchTM with neon blue and neon red Joy-ConTM is a remarkable console that combines versatility, innovation, and a captivating game library. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to gaming, this console offers an experience that will keep you entertained for hours on end. Its sleek design, immersive gameplay features, and Nintendo's signature charm make the SwitchTM a must-have for any gaming enthusiast. It's like the Swiss Army knife of gaming consoles but with more fun and fewer blades. Call to action. If you're looking for a versatile and engaging gaming console, I highly recommend checking out the Nintendo SwitchTM. It has become an integral part of my gaming setup, and I'm confident it will bring you as much joy as it has brought me. You can learn more and purchase the Nintendo SwitchTM with neon blue and neon red Joy-ConTM here. Trust me, it's like having a little slice of gaming heaven right in your hands. Additional information. Product dimensions, 8.27 x 3.98 x 10.2 inches. Type of item, accessory. Language, English. Item model number, Nacional. Item weight, 12.8 ounces. Manufacturer, Nintendo. Batteries, 3 lithium-ion batteries are required, included. Release date, October 14, 2022. I hope this review helps you in making an informed decision about the Nintendo SwitchTM. Happy gaming! Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.